You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. Imagine asking someone to marry you on your first date. Sounds crazy, right? That is exactly what some people are doing when it comes to pitching to a cold audience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this and how you can implement this. Most people sell too early, and it is because they do not understand the relationship game when it comes to sales and marketing. The truth is, people buy in stages. If you as a business owner or an entrepreneur miss any of these stages, you will definitely miss the sale. Here are the 4 stages that you need to master and begin to implement. Number 1, it is prospect stage. Yes, not everybody you see immediately that you tell them to buy. These people don't know you. So the best at this stage is to connect with them, is to be able to grab their attention. And to grab their attention, here is what you do. Leverage on tools like reels, videos, training, tweets, lead magnets, things that will allow them to know who you are, what you are, and what you have to offer. Now, if they don't leave the prospect stage, you don't want to go to the next stage. And let me let you know, it takes time in the prospect stage. In the prospect stage, you might have to nurture them for a very long time. I'll give you an example. I know of a client who I had to nurture for about 4 years before he later bought from me. And I know of some clients that it took them 2 years before they eventually bought from me. And I know some clients that it took them 3 months of consistent follow-up, nurturing them before they buy from me. Now, it is not their fault. It is just because they are in that stage called the prospect stage. And what could cause that? Some people really don't take action immediately. Some people will need to process it before they take action. Some, after they have finished processing it, they still need to plan for it. And number 4, some, they've planned for it, they've processed it, and they are still waiting for money to come. This is why a lot of salespeople are in a rush and they are complaining they are not making sales. They want to close the prospect immediately. Can I be sincere with you? You need to do a lot of work. The same way you take some time, to send flower to that babe, the same way you take time to say yes to that guy. That is exactly what prospecting stage is all about. Number 2 is the lead stage. Yeah, the lead stage, they now know you and they are interested, but they are not buying from you, and it's not your fault. They know you. They like your comment, they reply your post, they reply your email. They do all of that, but you have to build trust and connection at this phase. I have a lot of clients in this zone. We have close to about 8 people in our office that focuses on lead conversion. Now, we try to connect with them. There was a lady that visited me in the office the other time. I was sharing with me how she was able to close a particular deal. He has worked on this man for about 4 months to 6 months. And one of these days, he just stood up. She just stood up and called the man and said, "Sir, today is today. I want to come and see you in the office. I will see you in the house. Just give me an appointment." And guess what? The man said, "No problem. Come over." And that meeting led to the close of multi-million transactions. Sometimes you just need to take some action to connect with these leads because they know you, they are interested. But guess what? They've not trusted you enough to send you money, especially when you are selling high ticket products and services that are more in millions. And that is what I do. I sell a lot of products and services in millions. So I don't expect them to pay immediately. Yeah, because a lot of people have been scammed. They fall victims. They are still nurturing their past. They are still nurturing their experiences, their past pain. But you have to find a way to build trust with them and build connection. Now, once you build trust with them and build connection with them, then you now follow up with series of emails, testimonies, DMs, visits to their offices, and even inviting them to come to your office. Now, everyone in each phase has the tool that you can use to relate with them. Like I said, under prospect. But under leads, you want to leverage on more testimonies. You want to leverage more on DM. You want to leverage more on visitation. You can visit them. You can also invite them to your office. You want to share more stories with them to connect more with them, and you're good to go. Now, at this stage, this is where you give offer. So you share with them the benefit, you share with them what is possible, you share with them the end result and why you don't want them to miss the end result. Once you do this in the lead phase, I tell you, they will naturally pay. Now, that takes us to the third one, customer phase. Now, this customer phase is now the stage now they bought from you. Now, whenever they buy from you, a lot of you just stop there and you forget them. You are looking for the next customer. Come on, if you are learning, type in customer in the comment section. This is what a lot of salespeople do. Once a customer buys from you, I learned this early in business, that customer has the capacity to keep buying from you. So don't say, oh, he has bought from you, then you now start looking for the next customer. You want to ask yourself, what next can I do? You need to now do what is called over delivery of what you have promised them. Give them more value. Show them results. You see, in my real estate subsidiary, one of the things I try to do is to visit our estate every month. Not only because of the people that will buy from us, but the people that just bought that I want to give value to. That this is your estate, you can see it is fenced and all of that. Why? Because I strongly believe that if they have trusted me with their money, they can trust me more with more money. So no prospect, there will be no lead. No lead, there will be no customer. Now, when you have customers, you now need to know the tools to engage with them. The first rule of engagement is follow up. Hey, Mr. Mayowa, I'm not good at that. You need to follow up. You need to check on them. Put in a structure, a system in your company that can allow you to follow up from every customer that purchases from you. For example, in our own company, for every customer that purchases, we have an account officer that is attached to that customer. So follow up, give bonus. Another thing you do is you upsell them, give them a little upsell. Some people have bought 3 million from you. You can tell them that there's an opportunity for them to buy an half plot. Some people have bought a particular item from you. What other item can you add to that particular product that can allow them buy more from you? So at this stage, you do what is called upselling. So once you can do follow-up, you give bonus, you give more free training, and you do some upselling, you will keep having this customer in your business. Now, before I go to the fourth one, a lot of you have issues with unsatisfied customers. Try and take responsibility for every transaction. You see, it's not every transaction that will go well. The one that goes well, thank God. The one that does not go well, take responsibility. Empathize, be responsible, give other opportunities for them to trust you. That this is just a business that went bad, but I am here to make it not to go entirely sour. With that, you can build trust and retain customer. Number 4, come on, client stage. Mr. Mayowa, I love this stage a lot. Now, these are people that have bought from you more than once because they've trusted you. You've engaged enough with them. They've bought the first property from you. They've bought the first product from you. They've paid for the first service. Now they've paid for the second one. Now, these people, they've trusted you. You must hop up the game. Yes. You want to up the game from just customer relationship. Okay, you move it further into personal relationship. This is one of the strategies that I use in all of my subsidiaries, because once they buy from you, the second, the third time, they trust you. So you want to be able to engage with them more, because your job is now to deepen the relationship and to make them loyal to the brand. So you can create a loyalty program as a tool. You can give them a higher ticket. You can give them a VIP program that can allow them trust you more, and give them some other bonuses that can make them feel relaxed doing business with you. I love the people in my client stage. You see, there's so many things you can do when they are in the client stage. On their birthday, you have to call them. On their birthday, you can send them cake. On their birthday, you can engage with. They are having an event. You want to be able to make sure you are at that event. Let me give you an example. The last birthday Dangote did, all the bank, they sent him personalized cakes like the one you're seeing on the screen. Why? Because Dangote is big on their desk. He's more than a customer, he's a client. So they've been able to, scale up with this strategy with him, that every time he's doing birthday, a lot of gifts is in his house. So why not do the same thing? Pick out one of the celebration days of your client and engage with them. So implement all of these systems and structure, and I guarantee you, you're good to go. Don't forget to comment what you learned in this video so that I and my team can read through and reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. Peace out.